Okay, okay. Cambridge. मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए आऊँगी एंड गायब हो जाऊँगी. Government schemes, as we were doing yesterday, government schemes. So next is Ministry of Health. We did Ministry of Consumer Affairs. So last time we were in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Okay, Ministry of Food Processing we didn't did right now, and now next scheme is related to Ministry of Finance, and before that Ministry of External Affairs, and before that Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Electronic, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Okay, Ministry of Jal Shakti. So there is a Swachh Bharat mission, and this is Gramin. Okay, so bring about the improvement in the general quality. So we want to improve our quality, sanitation coverage, okay, and motivate the community for the Panchayati Raj. So Panchayati Raj will implement health and education, technological advancement, technological advancement and impact of gender from social inclusion. And we need a social inclusion. Okay, for the marginalized community. So this is the Swachh Bharat district is the base unit. District is the base unit for this, and we are going to plan, then implement. So implementing with the rapid action learning unit, and last is sustainability. So we want a startup initiative, then information, education and communication, and behavioral change, and that was peer pressure, and we need the building capacity building and availability of the sanitation material like self-help group, community sanitary, providing the revolving fund also. So fund plus solid liquid management, solid liquid management and food soldier Swachh Bharat, Swachhata Grahi. So Swachhata Grahi, it's a Swachhata Doot. So Swachh Swasthya Sarvatra. It is Ministry and Family Welfare, Health and Family Welfare, and he Ministry of Jal Shakti. Ministry of Jal Shakti and the Health and Family Welfare both are working for the Swachhata Sarvatra. Swachhata Swachh Iconic Plus Place, Swachh Iconic Place. And this is initiative nodal ministry. There is 100 places of the iconic places that is selected, and community health center will be there. Open defecation blocks, wash program, water sanitation and hygiene, and gram panchayat for the kayakalp primary health and wash training. Wash plus kayakalp. Wash plus kayakalp. Both things are there. And we need heritage, religious, cultural significance. 20 iconic places have been taken for this. PSU corporations are working. Sri Meenakshi Devi Temple, Sri Meenakshi Temple, that is in Sundareshwar Temple, and it is Madurai. It is in Madurai, and this temple is being iconic place, cleanest iconic place. Okay, and 10 iconic places are: first is the Raghavendra Swami Temple, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Hajar Devi Temple, that is Murshidabad. Shri Sarveshwar Mahadev, that was in Kurukshetra. Vidur Kuti, that was in Binjore, Uttar Pradesh. Mana village, that was Uttarakhand. Pengong Lake, that is in Ladakh, and Nagwa Suki Temple, that was in Uttar Pradesh. And Sri Dharma Shastra, that is Kerala, and Kanvaswaram, that is Uttarakhand. Kanvaswaram. राष्ट्रीय स्वच्छता केंद्र. सो दिस स्वच्छता केंद्र इज महात्मा गांधी की जो समाधि है राजघाट में, एंड चंपारण एंड राजघाट. चंपारण सत्याग्रह was held in the Rajghat, and that place is for the राष्ट्रीय स्वच्छता केंद्र. So राष्ट्रीय and स्वच्छता केंद्र, and this is in the Rajghat. Okay. Darwaja Band Media Campaign. So Darwaja Band campaign, and this campaign is behavioral change for the toilets. So it is for the behavioral change, and that is for the toilets. Okay. And Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, that is sanitation. Swachhata Hi Seva, and that is for the sanitation. Okay, Govardhan scheme, and this scheme was the galvanizing the organic bio-agro resources Govardhan, and this is in the Haryana. And bio-agro resources. So Govardhan scheme for the organic manure, biogas, and the organic manure. Next is solid liquid waste management. So solid liquid waste management, and that scheme is for the preparing the launch. Ministry is Swachh Gram Darpan. People monitor how program working in the district and state level, and that is the Swachh Gram Darpan scheme. Rather than that, solid liquid waste management. So there is a solid and a liquid and waste and management. Solid liquid waste management and open defecation free plus advisory and Swachh Gram Darpan. Okay. Atal Bhujal Yojana, Bhujal Yojana. Atal Bhujal Yojana is to improve the groundwater. It is for the improve the groundwater. Okay, to improve the groundwater, this is the central sector scheme, and that is the Atal Bhujal. And World Bank is also giving the assistance to this scheme. So Bhujal is for the World Bank and the sector scheme, which was launched in 2021 to 2025. Priority areas are the Gujarat, Haryana, and Karnataka, and these are 25% overexploited critical and semi-critical blocks. Also for the groundwater system, convergence of the government scheme is strengthening community development and water management. Community development plus water management. Namami Gange Namami Gange scheme, clean protect the Ganga river. So it is a clean Ganga fund, that was watershed management, and develop the village for the mainstream riverfront management and aquatic life को preserve करना है. Then coordination is also there. Coordination. So Namami Gange is for the clean Ganga. It's river-centric urban planning, and there is a rural sanitation, surface cleaning, coverage of the sewerage infrastructure, wastewater treatment, biodiversity conservation, afforestation. So we are going to do the afforestation and conservation and monitoring and quality monitoring. Okay, so this is long term determining the ecological flow, increase the water use efficiency also. So recognizing the multi-sectoral, multi-dimensional Ganga rejuvenation challenges. So some ministries are working here. Jal Shakti Ministry for the Ganga, and next is the Environment and Forest Climate Change Ministry. Next ministry is Ministry of Shipping. Next one is Ministry of Tourism, and next one is the Urban Development and Rural Development. So all these ministries are working. And Ganga Gram Yojana, in the 2016 there is a Yojana, that is Ganga Gram Yojana, and this Yojana is to develop the river Ganga, which is historical Namami Gange and Ganga Gram project under the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. So this is the Ganga Gram Yojana, which is under the Ministry of Drinking Water. National Mission on the Clean Ganga, that was in 2017. National Mission on the Clean Ganga. Jal Kranti Abhiyan. Jal Kranti Abhiyan. Jal Kranti Abhiyan. This is use the modern technologies for the Jal Kranti, Jal Gram Yojana, Jal Grams plus Neer Nari and Jal Mitra. Neer Nari and the Jal Mitra. So this is Gate Manrega, Central State AIBB, the development of the command area. In this we are going to develop the command areas, pollution abatement and mass awareness. Is a Sujalam card. So Sujalam cards. This Sujalam card will a logo water saved, water produced. Water saved, that means water produced. Okay, so this is about the Jal Kranti Abhiyan. This Jal Kranti Abhiyan is basically use the modern technology and with the traditional wisdom. There is a Jal Gram Yojana, which is Jal Gram, and Jal Grams are elected representative of Panchayat. They will take part in the Jal Grams. Jal Mitra and the Neer Nari is going to give the training for the create mass awareness. And logo is the water saved, water produced. So Islam card will be there, and logo is the water saved is water produced. And there is a Central Water Commission, Central Water Commission plus Central Groundwater Board, and third one is the National nodal agencies are the Central Water Commission and the Groundwater Board, and State Water Policy, which is working for this National Water Policy 2012. National policy that was in the 2012. National Hydrology Project. Next is National Hydrology Project. Okay, this project is for Central Sector Scheme. Central Sector Scheme. This is a Central Sector Scheme, and World Bank is also giving loan 50% up to. So Central Sector Scheme, National Hydrology Project. Reliable sources of the resources and data will be available. Hydrometeorological data, integrated water resource, adopting river basin approach. River basin approach will be there, and integrated all the data. National Water Information Center will also be established. Okay, now next is dam rehabilitation. Next scheme is dam rehabilitation. Dam rehabilitation and improvement, that is DRIP 2.0 project. This is for the 7 states like Jharkhand and Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. So almost 7 districts are there. Okay, Odisha and Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand. Externally aided project, which is World Bank. World Bank is providing money to this project. Repair करना है, repair, rehabilitation, and emergency action plan is also there. Emergency action plans are also there. Okay. So dam rehabilitation is a DRIP 2.0. Dharma is the dam health and rehabilitation. Dam health and rehabilitation. So this is help to the documents को क्या करना है, authentic document plus health information and plus large dams in the country. We are making under the Dharma scheme. Okay, so this is all about the drip irrigation Dharma. Okay, now next one is Jal Jeevan Mission. So this is providing the functional household tap connection. So functional tap connection. We are providing here the tap connection, an upgrade version of the National Rural Drinking Water Program 2009, and functioning the tap connection, define infrastructure, okay, and the household. So this is for the grey water management. Grey water का क्या करेंगे हम, मैनेजमेंट करेंगे. डेवलपमेंट, वाटर यूटिलिटी एंड R&D. कम्युनिटी ड्रिवन अप्रोच है, इसको हमने 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट 11 शेड्यूल में क्या रखा है, पंचायत को. तो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इज अगेन इन दैट. ओके, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर तो यहाँ पे एक तो आएगा ग्राम पंचायत, वर्क कर रही है इसमें ग्राम पंचायत। ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैकेनिज्म। और 90-10 जो है फंडिंग विच इज फॉर द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एरिया एंड 50-50 इज इट इज फॉर द अदर स्टेट्स के लिए, दिस इज फॉर द अदर स्टेट्स। A national Jal Jeevan mission. This mission is they provide the policy guidance, state water sanitation. It is providing the sanitation and policy guidance, and also the state action plan. State action plan. Okay. So district water sanitation mission is also there. District water sanitation mission, and district collector is responsible, DC is responsible for all the work and ensure the preparation of the village action plans. टाइम बाउंड कंप्लीशन हो जाएगी स्कीम की, एंड देयर इज a utility based approach, like this will enable the institution to function as a utility, supply services, recover the water tariffs, and convergence with the existing scheme with the Magnarega. So we are going to converge this scheme with the Magnaregas. Okay, Magnarega, to implement the measure of the harvesting, for the harvesting of the water and the recharge of the groundwater. Okay, so both things will be done with the Manrega, and incentive will be also provide water quality monitoring and surveillance will also be there. So quality management and the surveillance. So this is all about the Jal Jeevan mission. So it was in 2009 National Rural Drinking Water Program. रूरल ड्रिंकिंग वाटर के अंदर ही जल जीवन मिशन आएगा. ओके, एंड दैट विल बी इन द 2009, and it is a community driven approach. 90-10 and the 50-50 का रेशियो होगा. And to prepare the functional tap connection to schools, आंगनवाड़ी and buildings, health center, इसमें जल जीवन मिशन में इसको रखा गया है. एंड यूटिलिटी बेस्ड अप्रोच है, टाइम बाउंड कंप्लीशन हो जाएगा, इंसेंटिव फॉर द कम्युनिटीज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. नेक्स्ट इज द जल मणि program. So this program is given the standalone purification of the rural school. Purification of the school. Schools में क्या करना है? Water purification करना है. That is the rural purification. Okay, so this is the Swajal, and Swajal is for community driven. It is community driven, decentralized, single village. The program would also sustain the open defecation free status. Okay, this will Swajal project and there is a open defecation free status. The scheme will train the 100 of the rural technicians also. And Jalmani scheme for the purification system in the schools, and Swajal is for the decentralized single village mini piped water supply. And the Swajal is done by the Niti Aayog, and there is a 117 aspirational districts, 117 aspirational districts where this Swajal is launched. Okay, other schemes with the water is first scheme is National Aquifer Mapping. National Aquifer Mapping Management. So this is for the Know Your Aquifer. Know Your Aquifer. Okay, Know Your Aquifer. And Ministry of Water Resource is doing this scheme with implementing National Aquifer Mapping, and there is a World Bank, State Groundwater Department, and National Geophysical Research Institute. They all are working for the assessment. Next is Water Resource Information System. Water Resource Information System. Okay, so this is the single window and solution and data for the water resource. India's for the water resources and single window clearances, and there is a ISRO and Department of Space. They are also working for the integrated water resource solutions. Next is Earth Ganga. Earth Ganga. And this Earth Ganga is the sustainable development of the Ganga river. So we want to river Ganga should be sustainably development. So need to be go for the Earth Ganga, and this Earth Ganga is the engage sustainable agriculture, sustainable creation of the infrastructure, and priority is the hybrid tourism. And hybrid tourism purpose is the adventure tourism also. Now next ministry is Ministry of Earth Science. Ministry of Earth Science. Ministry of Earth Science. National Monsoon Mission. National Monsoon Mission. And this is the phase 2, 2017 to 2020. National Monsoon Mission, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, National Center for Medium Range. It is for the medium range weather forecasting, forecasting, weather forecasting and climate forecast system. This is a climate forecast system, and this is for the unified model, high resolution and dynamical prediction system. IMD is working for the monsoon dynamical model to prepare the seasonal forecast. It is for the seasonal forecast, and monsoon mission is phase next 3 year. It will be for next 3 year. Okay. So the Indian Meteorological Department New Delhi is working for the national monsoon mission, and Indian Institute of the Tropical Meteorology is also working with that. Now next other missions are, first one is the SAFAR. So SAFAR is the Ocean Service Technology Air Quality. So sorry, SAFAR is for the system of air quality and weather forecasting research. So this is the SAFAR, and SAFAR is for the Ministry of Science and Technology. Science and Technology. For the weather forecasting and the research, that is for the Ministry of Science and Ministry of Earth Science. Okay, both are working for this. Next is Ocean Service Technology, and that is OSmart. And this OSmart will help to the addressing the sustainable development plus sustainable development and scientifically uh, improve the blue economy. And for the blue economy, this is OSmart. OSmart is the atlas which is working for the Ocean Service Technology for the modeling. Next is Red Atlas. Red Atlas Action Plan. Action Plan. Red Atlas is for the mitigation of the flood. It is for the flood mitigation. And prepared the Meteorological Department, Indian Meteorological Department, National Coastal Research, plus medium range for weather forecasting, and State Disaster Management Authority is also working for the Red Atlas. Now Gagan is a GPS aided augmented navigation. GPS aided augmented navigation. This is the potential fishing zones are there. So National Center for Ocean Information, INCOISIS plus the Airport Authority of India plus Ministry of Earth Science. They are working to present device. Okay, and there is a Gemini and Gagan. Gemini and the Gagan, and both are working. There is a INCOISIS plus Airport Authority of India and Ministry of Earth Science. They are working to this mission, that is the detect the Gagan GPS aided augmented navigation. Ministry of Electronic and IT. First is Digital India. Digital India Mission. So Digital India Mission is a three vision: digital infrastructure, citizen governance, and digital empowerment. And this is the pillar is the mobile connectivity, public internet access, information for all, manufacturing, IT, and early harvesting. And e-kranti is also there. E-kranti is for the e-governance plan, and that is for the providing the integrated services and PPP for monitoring Digital India Digital India Advisory Group, that is for the Ministry of the Communication and IT. They are working for the Digital India, and Chief Information Officer has a 10 key ministers, like e-governance project is designed, developed, and implemented faster. So that's why there is a 10 key ministers involved with the Chief Information Officer. And other than this, a vast network of the 2.5 lakh common service centers are also implemented. Jeevan Praman. Jeevan Praman. So this Jeevan Praman is a life certificate. This is getting a life certificate. Why we want? It is a pensioner of the central government, state government, or any other government organization. They will be the beneficiary. Objective what is the certification by the pensioner and streamline the process of getting life certificate. So this is for a life certificate which is related to the pensioners. Okay. And Aadhaar, what we need here? We need Aadhaar, digital life certificate with biometric. Jeevan Praman centers are also there. So physical life certificate is also we can get from the Jeevan Praman centers. Next is Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, PM Gramin Digital Abhiyan. These Abhiyans are related to the 14 to 16 year of the age group citizen. This citizen will be joined with this. And there is a rural household. A rural household will digitally literate. They will be digitally literate, and especially digital payment will be there for the IT related services. So this is a Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, and in this there is a e-governance services, and special purpose vehicle is also there. And this is the identification carried out the active collaboration of the district e-governance society, gram panchayat, and block development. Next is the Cyber Swachhata Kendra. Cyber Swachhata Kendra. So these Kendras are for the botnet cleaning and the malware analysis. It is for the botnet cleaning and the malware analysis. They will analyze the malware. Okay, so this is for the Cyber Swachhata Kendra. CERT-in is providing the information about this. CERT-in and plus IT Act 2000. These both are providing the information. National Cyber Security Policy, antivirus companies, botnet, malware infection. Along this popular attacks, what is happening near to you. So distributed detailed service attacks will also be. You will recognize this kind of attacks also. Okay. Now next one is M Kavach. M Kavach. So M Kavach is an indigenous developed mobile device. It is a mobile device, and which is security solution also. It is security solution, and it is a mobile device for the Android devices. M Kavach. And USB Pratirod. USB Pratirod, it is an external storage device. External storage. So this is a USB Pratirod. App Samvid. App and Samvid. So this Samvid is related to the installation of Genine application. Okay, now India BPO promotion scheme. BPO promotion scheme. So these schemes are basically for the IT enabled services and industry BPO. This is in the metro city like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, and the Pune, and implementing software technology park. This is the software technology parks. They are the software technology parks for the India promotion scheme, BPO promotion scheme, and software technology park in India is autonomous and under the Ministry of MIT, Electronics and Information. BPO promotion scheme under the Digital India, and this is under the Digital India initiative. Next is National Supercomputing Mission. Supercomputing Mission. So these missions are implementing with the Department of Science and Technology plus Department of Electronics and Technology, the IT and Center for ADAS, CDEC. CDEC is also working, and IISC like Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So this is National Academic R&D Institute which advises the empowering the country for vast supercomputing grids. So this network is working in that few teraflops, 200 few teraflops, and there is a three system petaflops is also working in that. Okay, now next is the Stri Swavlamban. Stri Swavlamban. So this Stri Swavlamban is facilitate the society large empowering the women. There is a common service center who can educate the women for the social against the social taboo and encourage the sanitary pads. So Stri Swavlamban is for the sanitary pads, and now we are going to reduce the taboos which was against the women, and it is a micro sanitary napkin micro manufacturing units are there. So Swabhiman is also part of that. Swabhiman is a sanitary napkin sold under the Swabhiman brand name. So name was the Swabhiman, and it was a Sri Swabhiman. Sri Swabhiman is at a village level. They girls will get the standard will be 7 to 12th standard and providing the sanitary pad to the girls for the rural area. Now next scheme is Electronic Development Fund. Next scheme is related to the Electronic Development Fund. Electronic Development Fund. So this fund, we can say fund of fund. Okay, why? Because it attract the venture fund, and also the angel fund, also the seed fund. Okay, venture and the angel and the seed fund, and this is create a battery or the daughter fund for the fund manager. This create the fund manager. So this is a Canbank Venture Capital Fund manager seeking good startup, selecting the based on a professional consideration. So we needed net zero import. We needed import, net zero import by 2020 under the Digital India. The next one is National Policy of Software Product. So next policy is the National Policy of the Software Product. National Policy of the Software Product. Okay. So this is the Create Sustainable Software Technology Startup. There's a startup for 10,000 software build a cluster based innovation national software production mission Ministry of Electronics and IT like MIT is working for this MIT, and National Software Product Mission, National Software Product Mission, that is Software Product Development Fund and the Research Innovation Fund. Robust software ecosystem. This is the robust software ecosystem. Software technology park. So next is software park, and these software parks are 100% export oriented. For the resulted software technology park, that was 1991, and it is export processing zone plus export oriented units. So providing a single point contact service, e-company anywhere in India, 100% equity. Next is modified electronics manufacturing cluster. Modified electronic manufacturing cluster. Modified electronic manufacturing cluster. So these clusters are for the infrastructure and the amenities, help the development of entrepreneurship ecosystem. So there is a national policy on electronic, that was in 2019, and electronic manufacturing clusters. There are some clusters plus facilities centers. Okay. So this is the over period of the 8 year we are providing this financial assistance to the software park and modify electronic manufacturing clusters also. Now next one is a scheme for promotion of the manufacturing of electronic component and semiconductor. So one scheme is related to the semiconductor and the electronic product. So semiconductors plus electronic components. Okay, so these two schemes are there. This is for the financial incentive given 25% in the capital expenditure, and development of electronic component and deepening the value chain. We need a value chain for the electronic component. That's why electronic sector is a tune in last 20,000 crore. Like we are providing 20,000 crore to this sector for the mobile, consumer electronics, industrial electronics, automotives, telecom equipment, and the computer also. Now next scheme is production link incentive scheme. So this scheme is basically in every sector. Production link incentive scheme. Incentive scheme. This scheme is very vast scheme. So there is a 14 sectors almost. Boost the domestic manufacturing and large investment in the electronic value chain. We need an electronic value chain. So we are providing the investment and manufacturing. So we are giving the we want to increase the sale from 4 to 6%. So increment in the sale. First we want to increase the sale, and champion India companies are also there. A scheme will also help the creating champion India companies. Okay, it will also help to the champion India companies. And mobile phone electronic component domestic value addition will also be there. So we are providing the mobile phone expected to 30 to 40%. 2025 तक इसको वैल्यू चेन में लाना है 30 to 40% तक PLSI स्कीम को. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अदर स्कीम्स है जो कि स्मॉल स्कीम्स हैं. ओके, सो स्मॉल स्कीम्स दे आर आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट स्कीम इज डिजी शाला scheme. This is a free to air channel promote the cashless transaction for DigiDhan campaign. So डिजी-शाला क्या है? अवेयरनेस अबाउट डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शन्स. तो इसमें क्या करना है, हमें ट्रांजेक्शन्स के लिए अवेयरनेस पैदा करनी है. वी नीड टू द अवेयरनेस फॉर द डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शन, प्रमोट द कैशलेस ट्रांजेक्शन्स. ठीक है, कैशलेस ट्रांजेक्शन्स आर रिलेटेड टू द डिजी-शाला. साइबर सुरक्षित भारत. नेक्स्ट इज साइबर सुरक्षित and Bharat. Okay, so this is about the cyber security ecosystem and the digital India. So digital India के अंतर्गत आएगा ये. There is a NIC, NASCOM and Wipro and Microsoft. They all are working, and there is a chief information security officer who is also working for the IT staff and the government department. अगला है ई-संपर्क. So e-Sampark is for establish proactive communication, digitalization campaign connecting to the citizen. E-Sampark for the connecting the citizen. So e-Sampark is for connecting the citizen for the proactive communication. Proactive communication के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are connecting communication, digitalization campaign for the communication with the Common citizen, that is e-Sampark, awareness program for environment, hazard and electronic waste. Now next is awareness for the hazard and waste. Hazard and waste, जितना भी waste और hazard हो रहा है, so we are providing the awareness for this system also. So MIT is working for this. Okay. Now next is secure, scalable, Sugamya website. Secure, scalable, Sugamya website. This is for the national cloud. It is a national cloud of the National Informatics Center. Okay, this is the secure, scalable Sugamya websites. Okay, secure, scalable in the Sugamya websites. Now next one is GI Cloud, and this cloud is known as the Meghraj, and this Meghraj is named to the benefit of cloud computing. For the cloud computing and focus is on the e-service. The focus is on the e-services. Okay. So this is for the GI Cloud, consists of the set the cloud computing environment and new augmented infrastructure. Next is DigiLocker, and this DigiLocker is working for the verification of the documents. It is for the verification of the documents, and it is linked to Aadhaar card. Okay. Now next is eTAL, and this eTAL is a web portal for the e-transactions of the e-governance project. It is a e-governance project, and that is working for the state level e-governance project. It is a mission mode also. Okay, now next is the Umang application. Umang application is working for the ministry MIT, and MIT is working for the Umang application. Central and state department, local bodies all are working for the Umang application, and they are for the communication, mobile application, web, SMS and all that. Now National Information Center computing for the response team. NIC CERT. ठीक है. This NIC CERT is against the cyber attack. It is against the cyber attacks, and that is for the skilling women. Project Cyber Shiksha. Okay, this project is Cyber Shiksha. This is also for the skilling women for the cyber security. Vishwareya PhD scheme. Next is Vishwareya and PhD scheme. Okay, Vishwareya PhD scheme, and this scheme is working for the infrastructure grant is given to the 5 lakh rupees per candidate, and fellowship is also provided in the Vishwareya PhD schemes. Okay, now idiot for the India Creative Solution. India Creative Solution is for the idiot for India, and it is idiot for India, and this idiot for India is related to the creative solution using the technology, and it is also under the MIT, and to give the school student an opportunity become a solution creator of the problem, and e-governance division is also there. Next is Build for Digital India. Next one is Build for Digital India. So Build for Digital India. Build for Digital India. It is a Google and MIT both are working. Google plus MIT both are working for Build for Digital India. This is a platform for engineering student. It is a platform for the engineering student, and related to the social problems like the healthcare and design strategy. Hack the Crisis India Online Hackathon. Hack the Crisis and India Hackathon. This is a part of the technology and startup entrepreneurship. Create dedicated solution 48-hour hackathon for containment of coronavirus crisis. So this is a hackathon, and this hackathon will be continued for the 48 hours, And in this hackathon, they are providing us the crisis moment of the technology startup during the coronavirus. Okay, now next is Ministry of Environment, Forest and the Climate Change. So stay in tune. I'll discuss again the Ministry of Environment and Forest Climate Change also.